This pattern is in a way like a meander pattern, but squeezed in one direction. So now on the next one I will show you two patterns in one, which here we will start with a basic meander pattern, just nice and round shapes, easy density, one of the fastest quilting patterns you can imagine. Why I do not start with meander pattern and I start with the back and forth lines? Because for meander pattern you have to know where you are going and how to maintain your density of your quilting. So meander is easy and fast when you have already a little bit of experience in quilting. And to gain experience in quilting, in my opinion, the back and forth lines are the best. So basic meander line is, I showed it already several times, they're just easy going, large wavy lines that are just nicely going around. You can imagine this as a very large staples. So you can see that I'm pretty disciplined and I'm staying within one width kind of with my quilting, because this is way easier for me to maintain the density of my quilting. So you will immediately see this is so large. It's actually working better if you have a bit larger space on your sewing machine. So in a way I'm doing the same tactic like with the back and forth lines, only with more lazy texture and everything gets stretched a little bit more, but it's quilted, so in a way we are almost done. Why I'm saying almost? Because there is a very easy way to modify this pattern and practice some precision with your quilting. So in a way this is done. Let me rotate it a little bit. So in a way the quilting is done here, but we can add an echo line that will simply go crossover. So what I'm doing right now is just I'm adding a little bit of variation here, extra texture and density. So I am going across the line and I'm changing my meander into a ribbon pattern. So I'm adding a little bit extra texture and density. I am practicing my echoing of more complex shapes, but without the stress that I have to get everything exactly right. This gives me the chance to correct for density difference. If I have impression that somewhere the density was not correct, it could be more. And I'm just following the previously quilted line as good as I can. I can add extra space, and in this way I am adding extra dimension and extra dynamics to my meander. changing it into twisted ribbon. And doesn't really matter where I'm crossing the line, because it's simply how the ribbon twisted. And just like that, I have my 4 overall pattern. Very nice, easy density, very fluffy, perfect for fast projects, all over, for easy square patches, quilts, baby quilts, scrappy quilts. It will all look great. I used it already several times. It always looked good. And it is especially if you do not want to put too much work into quilting and you just want to have a nice, fast and stable quilt. And that will work just fine.